Alright. So, ngayon, try natin. Kailangan perfect natin yung catch natin na tinapay, ha. Una natin si Mucho. Mucho, catch. Very good, Mucho. Milo, no. Sorry. Choco, catch. Very good. Milo, catch. Very good. So, perfect nila. So, sit down. Sit down dito. Sit down. Stay. Walang gagalaw, ha. Stay. Stay. Okay, good. Chup. 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 Allow si Choco. Choco, sit down. Because stay. Okay, very good. Chup. Hi guys. Yan, tuturuan natin itong ating mga alagang makukulit. Itong tatlo na to guys. Ano pa lang to? 3 months. 3 months pa lang to mga to. So si Milo, si Mucho, and Choco. Ito si Choco guys. So yun. So kasi mga bata pa talaga yan. Makukulit pa yan. So ngayon tinuturuan natin sila ng konting mga tricks. Kaya ng sit. And then yung bagong tinuro ko sa kanila, yung catch na yung tinapay. And then yung stay. So yun sit. So nakita nyo naka-sit down sila. So bigyan natin sila ng reward. So chup. 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 Okay, good. So yun. Kaya natin silang pasaluin dito guys. So Choco, catch. Very good. Mucho, catch. Oh, hindi na catch. Milo, catch. Hindi rin na catch. Yun guys. Ngayon pala kasi sila nagte-train ng ganito. So yun. So sit down. Sit. Sit down. Sit down. Mucho, sit down. Sit down, Mucho. Sit down. Chup. Very good. Chup. Very good. Chup. Very good. So yan. Okay. Catch. Mucho, catch. Di nasasalo guys. Okay, once more. Catch. No. Mucho. Catch. Di pa rin. Okay, dito. Okay, dito si Choco. Choco, catch. Di pa rin. Milo, go here. Catch, Milo. Yun, si Milo nakasalo. Okay, once more. Mucho, catch. Di pa rin. Milo, catch. Okay, sit down na. Sit down. Very good. Very good. Very good. Sit down. Very good. Okay. Ngayon, try natin na mag-stay. Stay. Walang gagalaw. Stay. Oh, gumalaw si Choco. Choco, sit down. Because stay. Okay, very good. Chup. Yeah, pag sinabing stay. Stay. Mucho, sit down. Sit down dito. Sit down. Stay. Walang gagalaw, ha? Stay. Okay, good. Chup. So, ngayon, try natin ngayon sumalo. So, dapat perfect nyo to, ha? Okay, Milo. Catch. Ay, sorry. Sorry, Milo. Nahuli. Okay. Try again. Milo, catch. Choco, catch. Very good. Mucho, catch. No, nagkasabay. Mucho. Very good. Milo. Okay, hindi nasalo. Okay, sit down muna. So, ganun lang yung mga simple tricks natin. Tinapay yung gamit natin. So, ako din, catch. Okay, Milo, catch. Alright. Choco, catch. Very good. Mucho, catch. Milo, catch. Hindi nakakasalo. Okay, sit down muna. Break. Sit down. Okay, chup. Alright. So, ngayon, try natin. Kailangan perfect natin yung catch natin na tinapay, ha. Una natin si Mucho. Mucho, catch. Very good, Mucho. Milo, no. Sorry. Choco, catch. Very good. Milo, catch. Very good. So, perfect nila. So, ayan. Stay. Stay. Huwag gagalaw. Stay. Huwag gagalaw. Gagalaw. Stay. Chup. Very good. Chup. Very good. Chup. Very good. So, ito yung tatlo nating alaga, guys, na mga bata pa. Pero tinatry natin silang maging mabait. Kasi makukulit yung mga yan, di ba? Tignan mo sila. Nakastay lang sila dyan, no? So, mucho, catch. Ay, sorry. Okay, once more. Okay, isa pa. Perfect. Milo, catch, Milo. Milo, catch. No. Milo. Milo, catch. Very good. Mucho, catch. Very good. Choco. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Very good, very good, very good. Stay. 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 All right. Very good, baby. Chup. 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 Okay, break. Break na tayo, nak. Break tayo. Break. 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 Very good.